A great big shout out to all my subscribers on YouTube. Hi, how are you? If you are from Singapore, you have probably had Nestum Cereal growing up. It's a common, ready-to-make cereal popular in Singapore and Malaysia. It's available in other countries too, but this dish is native to Singapore. We use Nestum to make this cereal prawn or cereal chicken. If you don't have it, you can just as well crush up some cornflakes, adding some salt and a tiny bit of sugar. Or you could use some toasted oats as well. Here's a look at the ingredients. Boil the dried chilies for a good 10 minutes till nice and plump, and then grind to a paste without water. Reserve a teaspoon of this for later, and with the rest of the chili paste, marinate the prawns or chicken along with ginger paste, coriander powder, and salt, about a teaspoon. The process is the same for chicken. I like to use chicken breast, but you can use mid-joint wings as well. To a bowl, add the plain flour, milk powder, and a dash of salt and pepper. Mix well with a fork. Some freshly squeezed lime juice to the marinated prawns or chicken. Heat oil for deep frying. I'm using a small pan here because I'm frying in batches. Coat the marinated prawns with the flour mixture and toss well to coat lightly with the flour. Add to the oil and fry in batches till cooked through. Same for chicken, just adjusting the cooking time as needed till the chicken is cooked through. Either towards the end of the last batch or separately, we will fry our grated coconut till golden brown. Take the chili paste that was reserved earlier and rub together with the coconut, as well as some salt. Fry this till just golden brown as well, and slightly crisp. Don't allow the coconut to turn dark or black. Add to the drained prawn or chicken and set aside. Now we come to the butter cereal part of this dish. Heat some butter in a non-stick pan. Add the curry leaves and sliced chilli. Curry leaves is essential for this dish. Do not omit. When the curry leaves are highly fragrant and bright green in color, add the cereal and stir fry on medium heat till the cereal is golden brown and crispy. Remember, if you don't have Nestum, you can use crushed cornflakes or crushed toasted oats with a little bit of salt and a pinch of sugar. Add the fried prawns to this and toss well for 2 minutes till coated with the crisp layer of cereal. And the same process for chicken as well. Some notes: use fresh chicken. This dish is rather unforgiving if using frozen chicken. Serve this dish immediately. Don't use flavored Nestum cereal. To make the staple Hawker's variety, an even simpler version of this dish, Omit the chili paste, ginger, and coconut altogether and proceed with the remaining steps. Also omit the coriander and chili powder marinade. This will produce a very simple cereal prawn or chicken. The cereal taste will be the star. This is how they serve it at most hawker centers. I do, however, like a bit of that mild spice and extra ingredients as it enhances the dish tremendously. Hope you have a go at this great dish from Singapore, cereal prawn or cereal chicken. It's great served as a side with rice and other dishes. Subscribe to my channel for more great recipes and let us know what you think about the recipes. Thanks for watching.